Hello everyone, welcome back to Bentech Code, and today we are taking a look at Tab S6 Lite from Samsung. So, this is a very good Black Friday deal that I recently encountered, and I just wanted to share the unboxing with you, and that was terrible. So, note to self, don't ever open things like that, just don't do it. So, we're going to get into the contents now. The contents of that box was the S Pen that comes in the box. Thank you very much, Samsung. It's the marquee feature of the Tab S6 Lite, made to be a more budget, premium Android tablet from Samsung that comes with S, which is great. Although there's no keyboard support, official keyboard, you got an S Pen. So it comes with a standard USB-A to USB-C cable and a 15-watt fast charger in the box. This Tab S6 Lite is running Android 10 with One UI 2, Exynos 10nm Exynos 9611 processor. Pretty good processor. I have to do more testing to myself, but for now, I gotta say, it should probably be good enough. Here we have the ejector tool for a micro SD tray, which it does have, and an LTE tray if you get the LTE model. So for those of us who do want LTE, you can go ahead and grab it. We're gonna go ahead and look at that documentation, and now we can take a look at the tablet itself. So no plastic inside here, a glass front, aluminum back, and aluminum frame, an all aluminum build. So it should feel pretty good in the hand. Make sure you don't scratch it, because aluminum can be scratched very easily on plastic. So keep an eye out for that. Internals, 4GB of RAM on all models, but you can get 128GB or 64GB of internal storage. That's good enough to store all your Disney Plus movies and maybe a little bit more apps than usual. You have 2 stereo speakers tuned by AKG, which I'm not sure what that means. I'll have to do more testing, but I believe that means that the stereo speakers are up to Samsung level quality levels. So, you also have a headphone jack on the top, and a place to put the S Pen on the side, which you'll see in one moment. So what do I think about this device? I'd say this device is going to be a joy to test and use. I won't have to take a break from my Lenovo Chromebook Duet, as I'll have someone else actually using it. So until then, I'll just have to wait for the review period to be over, and then I'll share my thoughts and my reviewers' thoughts with you. So that's been it. Thank you so much for watching. These unboxings are just so much fun. A ton of fun. And I really love doing them with you guys. So you can go ahead and support me. At the end, you'll see a new clip. I'm really proud to announce my Buy Me a Coffee page. You can go to bentechcode.blogspot.com to read the blog, or you can subscribe and leave a like just to be nice to me. That's been it. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. This is Bentech Code, and do you want to support the channel and the blog? Well, now you can. This is the Buy Me a Coffee page at buymeacoffee.com/bentechcode. There, you can sign up for my membership and support me on a monthly basis, or just buy me a coffee. Real quick, real simple, real easy. Go to buymeacoffee.com/bentechcode for more information, and so you can support your favorite content creators like me. buymeacoffee.com/bentechcode.